Hey guys, good evening. This is Mahesh here from Epicube, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Mivi micro USB cable. So I got this through Amazon.in for around 399 rupees. So basically this particular USB cable is 6 feet long, and it is braided, which makes it tangle free. Moreover, this particular USB cable is IF certified, and let's just do a quick unboxing of this. So it comes in this black box, and this is how it is. So this is the basic cable, and it also comes with 1 year warranty, and this is the warranty card which gives a link to how you can register for the warranty. So as you can see, the cable is pretty good, and it's 6 feet long, and it feels very of very good quality. And these are basically aluminium, which makes it very good. And there are chances that some inferior quality cables, when you get it, when you connect it to the mobile, it comes out. But this one seems to be a good one. The pins are also good, as you can see. And yeah, this braided one makes it tangle free. And so let's just see how it charges the phone. And here I have got a Smart USB charger. Let's just get it connected. And here I've got my phone, which is basically an Nexus 5. There you can see it's charging, and I've been using this another one charger for, dedicated USB cable for my other phone, and it charges pretty quick. And when it is coupled with this particular Smart charger, it really charges the phone very fast. So that's it, guys. Pretty much follow me for more updates and reviews of many other products. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.